All right, I'm gonna keep this first video pretty sweet and simple. Welcome to my photography slash videography channel. I will pretty much be doing a lot of stuff in regards to my everyday life, freelance and everyday life and work and stuff like that. And I want to bring everything to this channel. I want to show you guys tips and tricks and just everything that I'm good at. I am pretty good behind the camera. I'm pretty good with the video aspect as well. As you can see, I got a camera right behind me, bro. Like, I'm really about that life. I have in total of 3 cameras. I have in total of, I want to say 12 plus lenses that I use pretty often. I have GoPros, I have computers, I have high-end phones, keyboards, monitors. I have all of the above with it. I have drones, I have everything. Okay, and I'm not trying to brag or anything by any means, even though that it kind of sounds like I am. I cannot wait to bring this to this channel. I can't wait to show you guys everything in the aspect of photo and video and also editing. I hope this channel helps you guys, because when I started shooting photos and making videos for clients and stuff like that, I did not know really where to start, so to say. I was doing a lot of research on cameras and all the whole 9 yards. And today I'm here to say that I will be trying to make a video for you guys every single day in regards to tips, tricks, out in the field, point of view, everything to help you in this field. So consider subscribing, hit that like button, all that good stuff. It's going to be interesting, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to try to show you guys everything, and I'm going to try to show you guys everything that I know that could help you in the field. So you might want to subscribe. With that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. This is my first video. Let's see where it takes me. Can I pull 100,000 subscribers on this channel? We'll see.